23 DIY deep cleaning hacks that will save you money. Many people consider themselves to be very clean and organized. But just because your house looks clean, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is. Even if it's just once in a while, you should commit to a deep house cleanse. Cleaning your house is a literal chore that practically no one likes to do. It's tedious, exhausting, and can sometimes be downright expensive. And it's hard enough to feel motivated to clean your house without needing to spend a ton of cash on fancy gadgets, right? Some people refer to it as a spring cleaning, some as deep clean. So, do you love simple life hacks? Well, keep watching for 23 tips to get your home as clean as possible. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 23. Vents. Vent covers can be difficult to deep clean on the account of the little slits and the dust and dirt that can gather from the air blowing out of them. To clean them, remove them from their slots, wipe them down, and toss them into your dishwasher. All they need is a short cycle with water only, and before you know it, they'll be shining like brand new. Number 22. Toilets. We all know the pain of having to clean a bathroom, especially if the bathroom's been used by multiple people. The toilet itself is probably the hardest part of the bathroom to clean, and if a toilet is dirty, it can make the bathroom look pretty gross. That's why it's super important to clean it regularly. Shiny toilet bowls will make your whole washroom look clean. To achieve this, turn off the water supply to your toilet and flush it until it's empty. Afterwards, cover your siphons with duct tape and pour some vinegar into the toilet tanks and then flush it. The vinegar will stay inside the siphon. Let it sit overnight. In the morning, remove the tape and turn the water back on. If you like these deep cleaning tips and simple life hacks so far, make sure you watch until the end, because we'll also tell you about some awesome hacks using simple, everyday objects that'll help you save time, money, and sanity. Number 21. Pillow. Your head and face rest on your pillow every night, so they're probably not the cleanest surfaces. Commit to a deep clean and throw 2 pillows in your washing machine on a hot cycle with 1 cup of bleach and detergent. DIY cleaning tip. Place a tennis ball in the cycle so the pillows don't lose their shape. Number 20. Sink. Cover your sink with a layer of baking soda, then scrub it with a sponge. Afterwards, pour some hydrogen peroxide on your sponge and scrub the sink again. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Then, wash it out. Your sink will shine bright like a diamond. Number 19. Wash your rug. I know you think that coffee or wine you spilled on your rug and tried to scrub away is completely gone, but it probably isn't. Lay your rug on a flat surface and hose it completely down. To make extra sure your rug is squeaky clean, use laundry detergent in areas where you know you spilled something, and scrub it out with a bristle brush. Finally, squeeze out the excess water and leave it out to dry. Number 18. Electric stove burners. Did you know that you can completely remove them? Well, that'll make a heck of a difference when you clean. Take them off and remove any food or gunk that'll fall into the little crevices. Wipe the stove burners down and then reattach them. Number 17. Brooms. You use your brooms to clean, but do you clean your brooms? Otherwise, you're just spreading dirt all over the ground again. Soak your broom into a bucket of warm water with dish soap inside. Let it air dry before you put it away. And remember to spray your brooms with disinfectant after each use. Number 16. Stainless steel. Ever wonder how to get your stainless steel appliances shiny again? Mix a few drops of water with cream of tartar and use a sponge to scrub all the stainless steel appliances. We promise that they'll look brand new. Now that you know some go-to tips people use to give their homes the deepest clean possible, Here are some DIY hacks that help save you money and get your home organized. So, if you have a hard time getting motivated to clean or organized in general, keep watching. Number 15, dryer sheets. These little multi-purpose miracles aren't just for making your laundry smell good. Try using dryer sheets to buff out water spots or wipe your baseboards clean. Number 14, vinegar. Remove bacteria on produce by creating a spray bottle concoction of 1 part vinegar and 3 parts water, and spraying your fruits and vegetables before rinsing them. Number 13, lemons. Lemons have multiple purposes, including an easy way to clean your cutting board and keeping that garbage disposal smelling fresh. Try making lemon ice cubes. Number 12, baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda on your couch and let it sit before vacuuming up the mess. Add carpet cleaner for those really tough stains. Number 11, razors. Are there paint stains on your wool or denim clothes? Try scraping away at it with a disposable razor, preferably an old or dull one. Number 10, socks. Remember that vinegar concoction we just told you about? Pour some onto an old sock and voila, now you have hard surface cleaner. Number 9, aluminum foil. Use just enough aluminum foil to line your toaster tray. After you cook something on it, throw it away and repeat. No need to clean that tray if it isn't getting dirty. Number 8, reusable bags. The best way to keep your reusable bags organized is to fold up each bag and then just put it in a bigger one hanging behind your door. Number 7, the basket hack. If you go out often, assemble a variety of products into little baskets so you can take them on the go. You can make it for anything like picnics, hiking, camping, etc. Number 6, breakfast hack. If getting organized in the morning is hard for you or always makes a mess in the kitchen and you get too stressed to clean it, this breakfast hack is just the thing you need. All you have to do is grab a tray that's big enough for all your breakfast plates, utensils, and cooking materials. That way, when it comes time to clean up, all you have to do is worry about cleaning up one simple tray instead of the whole kitchen. Number 5, dish soap hack. If you've ever been getting ready to wash dishes only to realize that you're completely out of dish soap, this life hack is for you. If you buy a bulk-sized bottle of soap and attach it to your dispenser via plastic tubing, you'll never realize you've run out of dish soap just as you're about to wash up. Number 4, shelf hack. Need more space to store cute decorative items? Use old drawers and turn them into cute wall shelves. All you have to do is take drawers out of old tables, paint them, and hang them on your wall. Number 3, pack like a pro. This one is definitely more of an organizational life tip, but it's still important all the same. Pack your next trip using the 5-4-3-2-1 method. 5 shirts, 4 bottoms, 3 pairs of shoes, and 1 jacket. Number 2, reusable chore schedule. And who doesn't love having some help around the house to get all those chores done a little faster? This reusable chore schedule is perfect for teaching anyone how to keep an area clean. Number 1, cord organizer. If your desk is known for getting messy due to a series of cords getting entangled with each other, use cable clips to organize them all separately. This will keep your area tidy and save you from having to clean up a mess of tangled up cords. What are some of your go-to DIY cleaning hacks and simple life hacks? What other cheap cleaning hacks do you swear by that make your home look clean and new? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button. and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.